In this video, I'm talking about why you should document your business journey no matter what stage you're at. So for those of you guys who follow this channel, my name is Sean. I run a digital marketing agency, North Digital, and I think my channel is a perfect case study of someone who has documented their business journey before they really had made anything noteworthy and still benefited greatly from that process. So I'm going to start by talking about how my YouTube channel has benefited, even though it's a small YouTube channel. And even though my agency, while it's multiple six figures now, is not at 7 or 8 figures, and there are people out there with much larger agencies making videos on YouTube, it has still been an invaluable process to post these videos. And I hope this inspires you guys who are starting new businesses in the beginning stages, trying to get your first client, to start documenting that process. So for me personally, I posted my first video in 2016. It was a video about quitting my accounting job and selling websites for my apartment. And the video's actually done pretty well. It's almost got 10,000 views. But more importantly than that, although that video hasn't really brought me any financial gain directly, other entrepreneurs at that same stage found that video on YouTube because they related to it. And back in 2016, people reached out to me and invited me to private Facebook chat groups, private WhatsApp groups of other entrepreneurs, other agency owners, other digital entrepreneurs building their business. And those connections I still have today, and at the time helped me scale and gave me motivation and gave me people to bounce ideas off and helped me to think that I wasn't crazy going down this entrepreneurship path when my friends and family at the time didn't really understand what was going on. But to be connected with other people who absolutely did made the journey much easier and much more enjoyable. So that was chapter 1. And chapter 2, where I'm at now, is I have something built up. We have a multiple six-figure agency, which is, I think, a goal that a lot of people watching this do want to achieve. And having said that, we are nowhere near as big as other business influencers and business YouTubers that have 7, 8, 9-figure businesses. So I have asked myself the question, like, hey, should I be making this content now, or should I wait until I have a bigger business and have more authority before actually making content? And I think the answer to that is no, I should not wait. I should make it now, because right now this content is going to be extremely relatable to people who are just one chapter behind me. So right now, this content resonates really well with people who are making 3, 4, 5K per month and want to scale up to 10, 20, 30K per month. And I am absolutely an authority in that specific chain of the journey because that's what I've just completed. And so much so that at the time of making this video, I'm able to charge $650 US for coaching calls. And I live in Canada, so that's over 800 Canadian dollars. And that's very good income for myself. That's more money than the old partners at my accounting firm could charge for their time. And not only that, but I'm able to, in a couple hours of my time, really help someone go from that journey of being at 1, 2, 3, 4K per month of revenue and get them up to 10, 20, or 30K per month of revenue. So it's an amazing value proposition. And all of this is possible because of where I'm at in the journey. Once I am at 7 figures with my agency, I don't think those same people are going to relate as well with me. And I'm going to be getting different types of coaching clients coming to me. So no matter where you are in your process, there's going to be someone who wants to be where you are. And not only is that person going to be inspired by your content, they're most likely going to be willing to pay you to help them get where you are if you're interested in coaching and consulting. So documenting your process has a financial gain and it has a motivational gain for yourself. You'd be amazed at the people who are going to reach out to you once you show you have the courage to step out and talk about what you're doing. So that's the first big point. Now, the second reason you should document now is if we do a thought experiment. Let's imagine a person, John, becomes a billionaire. So John's a billionaire, and when he becomes a billionaire, he can make content talking about what he did, how he did it, what he's doing, and that'll be nice. That'll be okay. But what would really be fascinating is people want to see his thought process while he was at the beginning stages, while he was ascending to the heights of his billionaire status and building his empire. And that content is what is going to be really, really valuable. I mean, imagine if Elon Musk or Jeff Bezos was doing content like that as they were building their business. Now, you know, Musk and Bezos, maybe they don't care about ever doing coaching consulting, and that's fine. But if you think you might in the future care about coaching consulting or want to build a personal brand around yourself, then all the content you create during your journey, once you do hit the place where you have a lot of authority, once you do hit your goals, all that old content is going to be an absolute gold mine that solidifies your authority even further. And that's why you should document content now. You're documenting it now because its value is going to go up as you achieve more and more success. So every video you make is almost like an appreciating asset. So that was my rant for today, guys. I just wanted to get that off my chest and share that with you guys who are following me, and also say thank you for the viewers and subscribers that do comment, do engage with my stuff, as that helps me grow, motivates me to keep making these videos. So with that in mind, let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know where you're at in your business. And if you've made any content public, link it down and I'll click through it. I'll check it out. Other people that watch this video can do the same. With that, guys, until next time, I'll see you later.